do? Oh, Tinky. Censorship. What are you gonna do? It's amazing the coloration of shrimp. So you got a black one, a yellow one, and a blue one right there. I only had blue ones when I bought these shrimp. And it's funny how the bloodline, and there's a natural. It's funny how the bloodline works in these shrimp. I don't understand how it works, but somehow have green, blue, yellow, blacks, and here have natural colors. It's really amazing. There's a whitish one. Amazing.